Hello everyone, welcome to Techopedia. Today we will be learning a Python trick in which we create a single string from all the list elements. So let's first define our list and in which we define some elements like my name is Uzair. Now to join all of these elements we will use a string function which is called join. And we will add a space in all of these elements. So let's create a variable sent or sentence and call join function and just passed list in it and print our sentence. So let's run it and it will print my name is Uzair. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.